It's first impressions time again, and in this video I'm giving my initial thoughts on Chessington World of Adventure's brand new, heavily themed drop tower, Croc Drop, and their new pirate ship replacement for the Black Buccaneer, the Blue Barnacle. Croc Drop opened at the resort last Monday the 12th of April and is an SPF Visa spinning drop tower featuring multiple drops throughout its cycle. As a rider, you are tasked with performing this ceremony to banish the evil spirits that have taken over Sobek, the crocodile god of the Nile. The theming here is absolutely incredible, with Sobek's jaws rising up and around the tower structure, bellowing smoke as the ride vehicle departs the station. There is so much attention to detail here, with the aged rockwork building adorned with symbols and hieroglyphics and surrounded by vegetation and woodwork. Speakers in the queue line blare out Croc Drop's bespoke soundtrack to help build the anticipation for riders. The ride itself begins with some dialogue before climbing the 25.5 metre tower and spinning before a cycle of 4 drops leaves your stomach hovering somewhere above Chessington. As you return to the ground, one final spin around the station helps remove the curse once and for all. This is a great attraction for Chessington and perfectly fits the park's family-focused approach and aesthetic. It's stunning to view and watch from off-ride, much like its predecessor Ramesses Revenge was. Of course, it's not the all-out thrill ride that Ramesses was, but it's a ton of fun and will appeal to a much wider audience. Croc Drop gets the thumbs up from me. I also wanted to take a minute to chat about the Blue Barnacle too, a replacement pirate ship for the Black Buccaneer which left the park in 2018. Pirate ships are a theme park staple, so it's great to see that Chessington didn't just give up that plot of land to a gaming stall like certain other Merlin parks have done, and instead have invested in a new model. Blue Barnacle doesn't feel like it quite hits the heights that Black Buccaneer did, a ride that I fondly remember as the best pirate ship in the UK, but it still does its job perfectly well. The area it's set in is nicely laid out, with bright blue waters and pirates protecting their treasure, all surrounded by rockwork. It's another example of Chessington taking a simple attraction and then providing the theming, landscaping and attention to detail to help it feel a little more special. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for loads more theme park content, and if you enjoyed it then drop us a like in our own little ceremony to defeat the YouTube algorithm. Cheers and see you next time.